Hey everyone, I'm Brittany Gillespie, brand educator with Kenra Professional, and I'm super excited to share with you today some of my favorite things about Kenra's Thermal Styling Spray. Thermal Styling Spray offers up to 428 degrees of thermal protection, as well as offering an amazing humidity resistance. That means this style is going to last all day. Another fun trick is to spray thermal styling spray directly on a twist and then hit it with your blow dryer for just a few seconds to activate that heat activation, and then let it go and it'll be a beautiful, nice wave. Another thing that I love about the thermal styling spray is that it is heat activated. So as I use my flat iron, I lock in that style, but also it has a nice clean release off of my iron. It will never be sticky or tacky. I also love using thermal styling spray to finish my look with a fine mist and to tame down all those frizzy flyaways.